All right, so we got this brand new Cybertruck in. This one got tinted the last time it was here, like a week ago. But now it's back in doing full color change PPF, not vinyl, PPF. So the benefits with the PPF is you can scratch it up. Once it gets some heat to it, some sunlight, the scratches will magically dissipate and disappear on its own. Unlike vinyl where you scratch it and it's just gonna leave a scratch in it. So you get more protection out of the PPF, but also the aspect of the full color change difference. This one's going full midnight purple. Customer doesn't know that yet, but he's gonna be very surprised when it's all done and turns out amazing. So far we got the fender wrapped on here. It's turning out pretty good. Kurt's working on the other side of the fender. But stay tuned, this thing's gonna look absolutely amazing.
I apologize if I'm sweating. The boss doesn't like to run the air conditioning. No, in all seriousness, we're in the middle of doing a color change paint protection film on this Cybertruck. You see here, we did a plotted installation, but we've extended every edge by about 1/4 of an inch to make sure we get full coverage. I'm in the process of weeding everything out. So you can see here's the negative, the backing sheet. But it's a tedious process to go through all of this. And then we've got Tom over here, who's in the middle of the actual installation. But Mark, if you can, take a look at that and show everybody. This thing's gonna look wild when it's done. It's like a giant purple mirror. So once it's all done and we get it cleaned up, it's gonna look absolutely stunning. Totally different than what you're used to seeing on the road when it comes to these Cybertrucks. So a lot of people are starting to wrap them black, satin black. Our customer gave us the leeway to choose what color. We were gonna go a little bit more crazy, but we knew he's more tame and more reserved. So we went with this midnight purple metallic from STEK. So check it out, and we look forward to showing you the rest of it in a couple days.
I knew it was purple.